Welcome back everyone. Today I'm going to be talking about how I've made the most of my natural lashes. So many of you have asked me about my eyelashes in the last few tutorials. I've been doing this for about 2 months now and I've teamed up with Xlash to bring you this tutorial. So this is my eyelashes back in April, and as you can see they were really lacking volume. I have a lot of long lashes but there's not a lot of volume in between those long lashes. I've got a lot of shorter lashes that don't always reach their full potential. So the Xlash Growth Serum helps my eyelashes to reach their full potential by keeping me in the growing phase for longer. You can see here how it looks like I've got so many more lashes, but I'm not actually growing any extra lashes. Instead, the Growth Serum enables those smaller lashes to grow long and not fall out prematurely. To give you a better idea, I'm using a mascara guard just to single out those small baby lashes that are hiding underneath the longer lashes. Lashes grow at different rates, creating a sparse appearance, so staying in that growing stage for longer creates fuller, longer looking lashes. So this is day 1 of using the serum. Then a month down the line of using them, you can see they're a little bit fuller and thicker. And then 2 months down the line, you can see that all of my lashes look around the same length. Oddly, having them all the same length actually makes them look a bit shorter, but it's because you don't have any individual spiky long ones. Instead, they're much more uniformed and look incredible with mascara on. Now, as you know, I only take on sponsorships for products that I would recommend to my friends. So many of you noticed that my eyelashes were growing at a rapid rate. Xlash guaranteed that I would get results and encouraged me to try it without any obligation. So it was definitely worth sharing because you guys spotted it before I even showed it to you. So this is the Xlash Eyelash Serum. It's exactly the same as an eyeliner. It's got a very thin tip. The serum itself is completely translucent, but you'll be able to feel where you're applying it because it is very wet. So make sure you remove all of your makeup, your eyelashes are nice and dry and you've got no contact lenses in. And you want to make sure you apply this about an hour before you go to bed. All you do is apply a thin line of the serum along the root of your upper lashes. This will touch your skin, so you know you're exactly on the root of your eyelashes. So Xlash say after at least 30 days use you can expect up to 45% longer, fuller looking lashes. This is mine after 4 weeks. They are definitely looking fuller and longer, but when I look down you can see I've still got quite a few long spiky lashes, and the baby hairs that are kind of sandwiched in between haven't grown quite to that length yet. So I decided to keep on using it and keeping a diary of how my lashes were going. This is after 1.5 months use. A lot more of those smaller lashes have reached their full potential, so I've got a lot more spiky ones going on now, which is great because then when I add a coat of mascara like this, my lashes are looking full and fluffy. And when I turn to the side, you can see my lashes are so long that they're actually touching the skin above, which really tickles sometimes. Naturally, I asked Xlash for a discount code, and if you use the code Shonagh using the link in the description bar, you'll get 20% off your entire purchase. Now, one thing to note is that you have to think of your eyelashes like a plant. You need to keep watering them with the serum in order for them to keep growing. The moment you stop using the serum, then you will find that your lashes will return back to how they were prior to using it. Also, this can be used on eyebrows, but they do a specific one for brows. So now we're at the 2-month mark, and as you can see, these inner lashes have really grown a lot longer, and the same with the outer half. They're all around the same length now. Same with this side, but I do have a very small V shape in the middle that isn't growing as much, but I've always kind of had that gap, so I think maybe I just lack eyelashes in that area. Overall, I think you'll agree they look absolutely incredible. You can compare the eyelash with mascara and without, and then both lashes, and they just look so full and fluffy. It just makes the eyes look so much more attractive and feminine. This is also great to use even if you're wearing eyelash extensions because again it keeps your lashes in the growing stage for longer. It just helps to nourish them and keep them healthy while you're wearing extensions. Thank you so much for watching as always. I hope you found the tutorial useful, and if you do use the serum, tag me and also Xlash so we can see your results. And don't forget to make use of your discount code. If you missed last week's tutorial, it's on screen for you now. If you haven't subscribed already, you can tap my face to do so, and don't forget to follow me outside of YouTube on my social handles. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week.